Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be partnering up with In Color Wig Mall. They went ahead and sent me a 24-inch realistic kinky curly wig. It is a lace frontal wig, so a 13x4 frontal wig, and it is true to the parting space, so it's really 4 inches, and it's 4 inches on the sides as well, so you could do a side part, half up, half down, however you want to rock this wig. I love the fact that it was just so easy to blend with my skin tone, as well as so easy to customize and do my baby hairs, like get into all of this. If you'd like to see how I did all of this, just keep on watching, and if you'd like to purchase the hair off rip, which I would recommend, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay mamas, so I am back and this is the finished look. I decided to just leave it pretty much just kinky all around. I did go back in with some of this Camille Rose honeycomb curl whip just to define the curls up top, but this wig is from In Color Wig Mall and they went ahead and sent me a 24-inch kinky curly realistic wig. As you can see, it's blended, the lace is melted, okay, and I'm loving this. It's so easy to blend, so easy to work with. Once I detangled this hair, which was off camera, I did all the styling off camera. All I did was just put some thing in this wig so the curls could stay nice and tamed as well as soft. I love the look, I'm loving it. It's giving naturalista. I can't wait for it to be 100% dry where it gets super duper big and it's just all good. But as for right now, I'm loving this as well. It's super cute and yeah. If you would like to purchase this wig from In Color Wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. I have no negative reviews apart from there is slight shedding. It's not too excessive to the point where it's like what the hell is going on, but there is some just a tad bit of shedding, and the hair is pretty much tangle free. I can run my fingers through it now that I've washed and detangled it before installing it, but you guys know shedding comes with curly hair and that's pretty much about it. But so far so good. I'm having a blast with this wig. I love how easily I could have done the baby hairs as well as how easily the blend was with this lace and my skin tone. So kudos to you, In Color Hair Mall, you did that. Again, if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.